Introducing the upgraded FBOX 40-Fort Hydro Cooling Solution. Built for next-level efficiency and reliability. In the ever-evolving world of high-performance crypto mining, stability is the key to success. With our advanced remote intelligent management, operators gain deep visibility into their infrastructure. Real-time diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and automated operations ensure uncompromised performance with minimal downtime. At the core of our cooling system is the dual pump circulation design, engineered for uninterrupted 24/7 operation. If the primary pump ever fails, the backup pump seamlessly takes over, maintaining continuous operation. No two mining operations are the same. That is why FBOX offers modular deployment solutions, giving flexibility to customize, scale, and adapt to any operational need, whether expanding, relocating, or optimizing for efficiency. Extreme conditions demand extraordinary solutions. FBOX is engineered to perform in the harshest climates, from cold to scorching heat. For sub-zero environments, our optional heating solutions maintain optimal operation, while waste heat utilization enhances overall energy efficiency. With operations spanning the globe, FBOX provides worldwide deployment and timely after-sales support. Wherever your infrastructure is, our team is always ready to respond, assist, and optimize. Reliability you can count on. With all these innovations working in harmony, FBOX achieves an industry-leading 99% uptime, ensuring your systems remain online, efficient, and profitable.